Hey guys, so if you've recently updated to iOS 26 beta, you probably already know. It's exciting with all the new features, but honestly, it's also super unstable. Things like getting stuck on the Apple logo, endless reboot loops, or even update failures can happen really easily. When I ran into these issues myself, the first tool that came to mind was ReiBoot. I've used it before for system repair, so I wanted to test if it actually supports iOS 26 beta this time. In this video, I'll walk you through the process, show you how it works, and let's see if it can really fix these problems without data loss, or if downgrading is necessary. Basically, think of this as my honest review and test run. So, let's talk about what I've tried. You can enter or exit recovery mode on your phone just in one click. This is super convenient, no need to mess with complicated button combinations. Also, it handles upgrades pretty smoothly, no freezing up halfway through, and its beta version supported. And the best feature for beta user is no doubt the safe downgrade plus the backup and restore features. You can back up your data locally on your computer so there's no risk of leaks. And then after you downgraded your phone to the version you want, you can restore it afterward. Overall, ReiBoot gave me a lot of confidence even on iOS 26 beta. It's secure, all data is encrypted, and it's a tool that's been around for over a decade. So it's not something brand new or risky. Plus, the team keeps pushing updates, so I'm sure more features and full support for future betas are on the way. If you're testing iOS 26 beta right now and run into problems, this is definitely worth trying. Okay, you can try ReiBoot now to fix your iPhone's problem without hassles. Leave a comment below if you have any issues.